always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
Welcome back to the channel for another Ohio's First Buc-ee's construction update in Huber Heights, Ohio. Today is September 27, 2025.
It's another beautiful weather day today. About 80 degrees, blue skies and sun. The big update for today is they're putting the canopies on the fuel pump islands, both the north and south sides. We got a little drone video of them doing some work up there, and I think they'll probably have the covering up before the day is over. I mean, there's still a lot of work left to do, but the actual covering. As far as other updates, the brickwork continues on the building. They've added some stars to the back of the building. They're not as big as the big round stars that you see on the front and the sides, but some smaller stars on the back of the building. We got some footage of that. The exit ramp from I-70 to State Route 235 is still not open. I'm sure there's a lot of progress being made inside the building that we can't see, so obviously we can't let you know what's going on in there. Buc-ee's construction crew would like to invite us in for a walk around. We'd be glad to take you up on the offer. It's probably not going to happen. Also, we're standing across the street from the entrance, and last week I think I made a statement that we're going to stand behind this brand new guardrail they put up for safety reasons. I'm going to show you in a minute what this guardrail looks like today.
Yeah, exactly 1 week since we've stood here.
Yeah, I don't think this guardrail's been up for more than 2 weeks, and it's been hit, run over, and
yeah,
pretty much
semi took it out.
Pretty much smashed. So we'll show you here in a minute. Well, I think that's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and drop us some hype points if you'd like to help push the video out to more people. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Okay, here's the guardrail that we told you about a minute ago. Less than 2 weeks old, and you can see the condition that it's in right now. If you look close to the ground here, you can see the tire tracks. Looks like a semi-trailer where it caught the guardrail and kind of did it in. See some of the posts here snapped off. Like I say, I don't think this guardrail's been up for more than 2 weeks. I know I said last week I think they may have put the guardrail up to protect this stop sign, and well, I guess you'd say that was successful because the stop sign's still there. Guardrail's not looking too well, but the stop sign's there. Well, here's a look at the guardrail from the street side. See all the damage. It takes a lot to tear one of these guardrails up like that. I mean, look at these poles snapped clean off. A lot of damage, a lot of money. Anybody that lives down this way or happen to see this accident or knows any of the details, please leave us a comment and share those details with everybody. Here's a look at the fuel pump islands. You can see that work is in progress to install the canopies. This is the retail store. You can see that the brick work is nearly complete on the front of the building. They are working on installing the bricks on the north side of the building. The back of the building, you can see the progress being made on the loading dock. Here's a closer look at the back of the building. You can see the stars that have been added since last week. Here's a look at the entrance from State Route 235 to the Buc-ee's. You can also see the work being done on the 2 fuel pump islands installing the canopies. Here's a look at the north entrance to the Buc-ee's, as well as you can see the progress that's been made on State Route 235 road construction. This is the exit ramp from I-70 to State Route 235. Still not yet open to the public. Here's a clip of one of the roof sections being lifted into place on the North Fuel Pump Island canopy. We've sped this video up to save time.